Good afternoon. We've got another challenge lock today by Average Picker. This one is called Blue CRUMB Truck. That's the cylinder, mortise cylinder. That's the key. Very nice. And the key in this is just butter. You wouldn't even know there's a shear line. It's just so smooth. That's our bitting, hand cut. So let's see how we go. I just pulled this out of the bag of challenge locks I'm working my way through. I have not tried this one yet. Let's give it a go. All right. It's key again. Works like butter. All right. Yep. Some nice slop in that core. Trusty 7-hook. Ooh. I can actually get into a false set just by putting a little pressure there. Oh, that's not going to go. We'll have to go off that ledge on the side. Okay. Counter rotation straight out of the gate on one. Are we finished with one? No, we're not. Oh, there's more counter. There we go. It's definitely a double spool or a spool with a bit of a serration at the end there. Okay, two. Some counter rotation on again. Got two set. Counter rotation already on three. Click out of three. Another couple of clicks. Three feels set. Four is just a brick. Must be that zero lift. Counter rotation there on five, and this pick is not going to do it. Trusty 7-hook. All right, there's four. Get under there. To ramp up. And there's that counter rotation. Came under it, I think. There it is. Where's that four? That's four. There's five. All right, some counter rotation there. Where are ya? There we go, counter rotation. We've got five set, but we've dropped something else. One feels good. Two feels good. All right, counter rotation on three. Got three set. Back in that deep false set. Nothing on four. Ah, five again. Of course. Oh, and we're open. Beautiful. All right, let's have a look inside. It's got oil in it for some reason. We've got on the back there, average picker. All right, we've got a key. Shim, 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 shim. Okay. Standard in one. Wow, there's a nice spoolie, catchy thingo on two. Another spool top on three, overset trap. Torpedo-y looking thing on four. And a serration on five as an overset. The core. No visible modifications to the core. Let's just sort these out. All right, now for the guts. Start from the front. Yep, that double serrated-y, spoolie looking thingo. Two. A spool. Three. A double spool. Get the other two from the arse end. Five is a spool with a serration, which is what caught us up. That works. And we got a standard on a 4, which makes sense because you want to overset 4 and while you're trying to get 5. And we just lost a spring. No, we didn't. Core Bible mods, nothing. All right. Standard in one with this really nice spool, very thin lip with a serration in 2. We've got a nice overset trap serration catchy spoolie thing on 3, nice looking torpedo on 4, which will catch you if you overset that, which you will. And then just a little single serration on 5. Drivers, we got this double spool on 1, which you can definitely feel those. Single spool on 2, another double spool on 3, standard on 4, and this spool with a thin little serration there on 5. Very, very nice lock. That was Blue CRUMB Truck by Average Picker. Thanks for watching.